BMW has built faster cars, more expensive cars, more technologically advanced cars. But they have never built anything quite like the E90. And the people who own one already know exactly what I am talking about. This is the car that mechanics recommend when someone asks them what BMW to buy. Not the newest model. Not the most powerful. This one. The E90. Every single time. And BMW will never build another one like it. Not because they do not want to. Because they cannot. The BMW E93 series ran from 2005 to 2011. 6 years of production. And in those 6 years BMW put something in this car that they have quietly walked away from ever since. Simplicity. The base E90 came with the N52 engine. A naturally aspirated 3.0-liter inline-six. No turbo. No direct injection. No complex variable geometry intake systems that cost $2,000 to repair. Just a naturally breathing engine that produces 230 horsepower and has been documented running past 300,000 miles on original internals. That engine is the reason the E90 exists on this list. Because it is the last naturally aspirated inline-six that BMW put in a mass-production 3 Series. Every single 3 Series that came after it has a turbocharged engine. More power on paper. More complexity in reality. And more expensive problems waiting at 80,000 miles. The N52 does not have those problems. Because it does not have a turbo to fail. It does not have high-pressure fuel injectors to carbon up. It does not have an intercooler to develop boost leaks. It is an engine designed around the philosophy that the best way to make something reliable is to give it fewer ways to break. A used BMW E90 328i with 80,000 miles is sitting in the market right now for $8,000 to $12,000. For that money you get the N52 inline-six. A 6-speed manual or smooth automatic transmission. A chassis that professional driving instructors still use to teach advanced driving technique. And rear-wheel drive that makes every corner feel like it was designed specifically for you. Compare that to a 2019 BMW 330i with the B48 turbocharged engine at the same mileage. $22,000 to $26,000. Turbo that needs inspection. High-pressure fuel pump that is a known failure point. Timing chain tensioner that stretches on neglected examples. Same badge. Completely different ownership experience. The E90 ownership cost over 5 years runs approximately $4,000 to $6,000 total including maintenance. The modern 330i? $9,000 to $13,000. Same 5-year period. The turbo era costs you real money. Here is the part that BMW will never say out loud in a press release. Turbocharged engines sell cars. The numbers look better on a spec sheet. A 2.0-liter turbo producing 255 horsepower sounds more impressive than a 3.0-liter naturally aspirated engine producing 230. Customers respond to big numbers. And manufacturers respond to customers. But there is something else turbocharged engines do that naturally aspirated engines do not. They bring customers back to the service department. A naturally aspirated N52 with a diligent owner is almost bulletproof. It simply does not need much beyond oil changes and basic maintenance. That is good for the owner. It is not good for service department revenue. The E90 was the last time BMW prioritized engineering longevity over ownership complexity. And the market has been slowly figuring that out ever since. Clean E90 prices have been quietly climbing for 3 years. Enthusiasts and mechanics who understand what they are looking at have been snapping them up. If you are buying an E90, there are 3 things to check. First, cooling system. The N52 runs plastic coolant components that can crack around 100,000 miles. A full cooling system refresh costs $400 to $600 and eliminates this entirely. Do it proactively and forget about it. Second, valve cover gasket. Oil seeps around 80,000 to 100,000 miles on most examples. A $280 repair that takes 2 hours. Catch it early and it costs nothing significant. Third, find a car with service history. The N52 rewards owners who change the oil on time. It punishes owners who stretched intervals. A car with documented service history is worth paying $1,000 more for. Find a clean example. Fix the cooling system. Change the oil every 5,000 miles with full synthetic. And drive it for the next 150,000 miles without a single major repair bill. BMW will build faster cars. They will build more powerful cars. They will put more screens inside and more sensors outside and more software controlling everything in between. But they will not build another E90. Because the E90 was built for the person who wanted a BMW that simply worked perfectly every single day, without asking for anything in return except basic care. That philosophy does not sell turbocharged upgrades. It does not fill service bays. It does not generate the kind of revenue that modern automotive businesses are built around. But it does produce the car that every mechanic recommends when someone asks what BMW to buy. And that is worth more than any spec sheet number BMW has printed since.